Traders, imagine unlocking not just knowledge, but the power to apply it effectively in the market. Now, what if I told you that a transformational journey awaited you? One that could redefine your trading experience. As traders, we've all faced the challenge of applying what we've learned in real-world scenarios. It's one thing to understand a concept, but it's another to execute it effectively in the market. Many of you have shared your struggles with me about transforming theory into consistent, profitable action. The gap between knowledge and application can be frustrating. It's like having pieces of a puzzle but not knowing where to put them together. Without a clear path to apply your learning, it's easy to miss out on profitable trades, or worse yet, make costly trading mistakes. That's why we have revamped our Fast Track program into a comprehensive challenge. We're bridging the gap between learning and doing, ensuring that not only you understand the trading concepts, but you know how to apply them with precision and confidence. This new Fast Track challenge elevates your trading journey beyond the conventional. Not only will you retain all the access elements of the old Fast Track, the 3 comprehensive courses, the interactive live Fast Track classes, the sophisticated 3 trading AIs, but you'll also step into a more dynamic realm of learning. With the Fast Track Challenge, we're setting you off on the right foot by giving you 3 live one-on-one hot seat sessions, a fundamental part of your transformation. Then you start out on a 2-part challenge. Part 1, complete all the 3 courses. Part 2, pass the FTMO free trial. By completing the FTMO free trial and the 3 courses, you unlock your first significant milestone, a $10,000 prop firm challenge. Now, this is your gateway to mastering the 3 and 50 method and the beginning of your journey into Forexing your Forex. This method is revolutionary. Adopting the see one, do one, teach one philosophy as you progress through each course, you're not only absorbing information, you're actively engaging with it. By teaching what you've mastered, you solidify your knowledge and uncover new perspectives, fostering a profound instinctive understanding of trading. The inclusion of the 3 dedicated hot seat sessions with a level 2 hot seater propels your learning journey, providing an immersive experience in our exclusive 3 and 50 method. This unique approach ensures that your learning is not just theoretical, but deeply rooted in practical, real-world application. Now, what does all this mean to you? Well, it's a shift in mindset, leading you to becoming a more consistent, profitable trader. Now, proof? Well, it lies in our results. September 1st, we've only experienced 3 losing days with a staggering average daily gain of 1.90 while trading in the market every single trading day. We use the Forex your Forex concept and the power of the 3 and 50 method in action. Now, don't just take my word for it. Hear from traders who are actually doing it. Brendan, Pete, and Joseph in their own words. Now, these written testimonials are a true testament to the effectiveness of our approach, echoing their journey from uncertainty to consistent profitability. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to join our Fast Track Challenge now. Not only will you unlock a $10,000 funded account upon completion, but you'll also navigate through the complexities of trading with confidence and clarity. For a limited time, we're offering the revamped Fast Track Challenge at an incredible value. And to take advantage of this limited time offer, join the Fast Track Challenge, embrace the 3 and 50 method, and start your journey with a $10,000 prop firm account. This is more than just a course. It's your gateway to becoming a funded, successful trader. Embrace this incredible opportunity and embark upon your personal journey of consistency, pulling profits out of the market day in and day out. And we'll see you in the live sessions.